13th question, polynomials lesson, chapter 4, in that algebraic equations. Okay, in that the 13th main is, if x plus y plus z equal to 0, show that x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. Okay, we have to prove this. So how to prove it? We know the formula, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz and minus xz. Okay, so here x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Okay, this is equal to, here the hint they have given, that is suppose or if x plus y plus z equal to 0. So then let us substitute this x plus y plus z as 0 here, into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus xyz minus xz. Okay, so here x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equals to 0 into anything, any number or anything, algebraic equation or whatever it is. So that will become 0. Okay, 0 multiplied by any number, anything is 0. So therefore this will become 0. Then let us take this minus 3xyz after equal. So what happens? X cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 0 minus 3xyz. If we take that side, plus 3xyz. Okay, x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 0 plus 3xyz is 3xyz. So hence it is proved. Okay, now let us take 14th question. Without actually calculating the cubes, find the values of minus 12 cube plus 7 cube plus 5 cube. So this, please take this as homework. Similar problem, second problem I have explained here. Okay, follow that explanation and accordingly you can do this problem. Okay, now let us move to the second problem. 28 cube plus minus 15 cube minus plus of minus 13 cube. Okay, so we know that the formula x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. Just now we proved. Okay, we verified and we proved also. Okay, now 28 cube plus into minus 15 cube into minus 13 cube is nothing but 3 into x is nothing but 28, y is nothing but minus 15 and z is nothing but minus 13. Okay, just if we multiply, what we get? 3 into 28 it is 84 and minus 15 into minus 13 is 195. Minus into minus is plus, that's why. Okay, now totally if you multiply this, how much you get here? 16,380. This is what the answer. Okay, now let us move to 15th main. Give possible expressions for the length, breadth of rectangles in which their areas are given. So first area they have given 25a square minus 35a plus 12. This is factorization. Okay children, algebraic equation and it is quadratic equation. Okay, in this quadratic polynomial also we can say, because it is not equal to 0. Okay, now okay, that all is not a matter. We have to find out now, we have to factorize this one. So for that what we have to do? First term and the last term we have to multiply. If we multiply, how much you get? 300a square, isn't it? Now 300 we have to factorize to find out the factors for this. Okay, minus 35 is there. If you add or subtract, you must get minus 35. If you multiply, you must get how much? 300a square. So for that what we have to do? Here 300 we have to take and we have to factorize by prime factorization method. Okay, 300s are 300, then 2 50s are 100, 2 25s are 50. See, 2 2s are 4, 1 remains, 2 5s are 10, then 5 5s are 25. Okay children, this you got here. Now see, 3 into 15 is how much? Sorry, 3 into 5 is how much? 15. Okay, you can see here 15, and 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are how much? 20. So these are the two factors we have to choose, because when we add this we are getting here minus 35. Minus 15 minus 20a is nothing but minus 35. So this is matching here, that is it is balancing. So therefore we can take these two factors. Okay, so now come here. Now let us write here 25a square minus, in place of minus 35a, we have to write minus 15a minus 20a plus 12. Okay, now common factor in this 25 and 15, 5a is common factor, 5a minus 3 minus 4 is common, 5a minus 3. How we got minus? Minus into plus is minus, or minus into minus is plus, you get, that's why. So now area is equal to 5a minus 4 into 5a plus minus 3. Okay, so that is nothing but L is how much, length is 5a minus 4, breadth is 5a minus 3. Now second problem is area is equal to 35y square plus 13y minus 12. So 35y square plus 28y minus 15y minus 12. How we got this 28y minus 15y? Same, and the previously what, now just now I have explained accordingly. 35y square into minus 12 is how much? 35y square into minus 12 is nothing but 420y square. Multiplying, by multiplying, how I got here? By multiplying. Okay, so now we have to factorize this one to 420. So here I have factorized by prime factorization method. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2 0s are, then 2 1s are 0 as it is, that is it is not dividing, so 0 you have to write, 2 5s are 10. Now 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 21 we got, 3 7s are 21. Okay, now you can see we have to choose the factors. 2 2s are 4, 4 7s are 28, now 15, 5 3s are 15. Now here 28y minus 15y, you will get here 13y, isn't it? So bigger number should have plus sign, since we are plus 13y. So therefore 30 plus 13y we got here. Now instead of plus 13y, we have to write 28y minus 15y. So we have written here. Now in this, what is the common factor in these two factors? 7 5s are 7 4s are. So 5y plus 4. Now minus 3 into 5, 3 5s are 3 4s are 12. Now 7y minus 3 into 5y plus 4. Therefore area is equal to 7y minus 3 into 5y plus 4. So now 7y minus 3 into 5y plus 4 is the length and breadth. Okay. Now the last question of this lesson, that is polynomials, which is the last question is 16th main. Okay, in 16th main we have two problems. Here in 15th main we found out area, and in 16th main we are going to find out a volume. So here what are the possible expressions for the dimensions of the cuboids whose volumes are, volume is equal to the 3x square minus 12x. See, this can be factorized. Okay, 3x is a common factor, 3 x you get here, 3 4s are 12, so x minus 4 you get. Okay, now 3 into x minus 4 you got. Okay, 3 into x minus 4. Okay, that is nothing but L is 3, B is x, h is x minus 4, that is length, breadth and height. So this is the formula. What is the formula for volume? Volume is equal to length into breadth into height. Okay, here we found out length, breadth and height. So next last problem is volume is equal to 12ky square plus 8ky minus 20k. So first term and the last term multiply, you get minus 3y square. Sorry, here before that we have to see the common factors here, 12, 8 and 20. What is the common factor? In which table it is dividing all the 3, 12, 8 and 20 from 4. 4 3s are 4 2s are 4 5s are. That's what here. And even k also we can take it as common factor, since k is present in all the three terms. Okay, 4k into 3y square, 4 3s are 12 y square plus 4 2s are 8y minus 4 5s are 20. Okay, now 4k into 3y square plus 5y, how we got here? Understood now? 5 3s are 15, 5 minus 3 is 2y. So therefore we can write 3y square plus 5y minus 3y minus 5. So now 4k into, in this what is the common factor? Only y is common factor, 3y plus 5 minus 1 into 3y plus 5. Now 4k into 3y plus 5. Okay, now next factor is 4 sorry, y minus 1. So here length we can consider as 4k, breadth 3y plus 5, and height is y minus 1. This is the answer. This is the last question of polynomials, and this is the end of the lesson polynomials, fourth lesson. Already I have sent notes long back. I hope all the students have written the notes and all are listening to the video. So please listen the video and understand. Thank you, children.